Today is my youngest son's birthday. He requested lamb chops for his birthday dinner as he turns 9. Speaking of being 9, it reminds me of a story about my husband when he was that age. He almost burned down his entire village, and I'll tell you how it happened. Back in those days, smoking was a symbol of being cool, and every adult seemed to smoke. One day, my husband and his cousin decided to give it a try. They sneakily took some cigarettes from the adults and were afraid of getting caught. They hid in the outdoor bathroom, a simple structure made of bamboo and hay with a bucket inside. The catch was that it was fall, and everything was exceptionally dry. As they tried to figure out how to light a cigarette, they accidentally dropped the matches or cigarettes, and it ignited the hay. Smoke billowed from the rooftop of the bathroom, alerting the adults who rushed to the scene. Fortunately, they managed to extinguish the fire before it caused major damage. Needless to say, they received the scolding of the century. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.